Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Tuesday, June 25th, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it was a good trading day for you. We still have about 10 minutes left in the market today, and as we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, so with that, it's time to dive in. We're going to start off with the S&P 500. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. All right. So I'm going to really bring us in a little bit here as far as Zoom goes. So we had the doji candle on Friday. It looks like we're closing up with a doji candle today, a slightly down move, about 5 points down. I was really hoping we were going to close above this 54.73, which is a midpoint of two major fib levels, but not. We're still in a bullish bias, so it's not that I'm concerned. I mean, Thursday's move, the gap and go, or gap up and little push up and fail on Friday, Thursday, was clear evidence that we're still in a bullish pattern at this point. So I like what we're looking at here. I just need to see us get above that 54.73 level right here, and 5,500 is our next target above that. 8 moving average is the target to the downside. All right, so let's start off first with Domino's Pizza. All right, so let me get a full picture here. All right, so there's the entire fib. You can see it. Good move overall. I don't have a lot of room to the downside. We're looking at 533 down to 527. So, not really excited about the downside move. As much as I like them to be bi-directional, switch back, right? This one's just not handing it to us. We're not getting a lot of those today. I think we've got one of our three. So, we're looking at a move here. What do I want to see? Make the move up a little bit. Retest that 533 half. Bounce. 543.62 is resistance. So, right around 542. 541 and a half, somewhere around there is going to be a target, right? You'll pick yours that fits your own personal risk profile, right? Our stop is going to be just down below that 533 half level, right? Candidate number one. Next is Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is the bi-directional one we have that we can take to the upside or the downside. I really don't care which direction it goes. I've got a decent amount in both ways. So break above the 461 and a half, retest and bounce. 471 and a half is resistance. So maybe 470, 469 and a half, somewhere in there is going to be our target. To the downside, support is at 454.60. So I don't quite have as much to the downside there. We're probably looking at 456-ish would be the target. So I've still got a couple of bucks, $6. Still got decent room to the downside, just nowhere near as much. And then the last one is TMO. Let's get the entire fib on this one. So the fib's a little bit older on this one here. Again, as much as I like bi-directional, I just ain't got it here. All right, I've got room to the upside to my 21 moving average, which is 572. So we're okay. I mean, this stock moves 10 bucks a day on average. All right, so there's plenty of movement there. I would prefer the downside. It is a bearish bias, true bearish actually for the last 2 days. True bearish bias. Retest the 566 and 3/4, 550 and a half is support. Right about 551 to 552, 552 and a half. Somewhere around there would be my target. Stop on the other side. If you want to take the trade up, if we get a bounce to the upside, it would be day trade only, of course. Go ahead and make the move up. Retest that 566 3/4 and bounce. We're looking at 572 as resistance, so right about 571, 570 and a half. See, it's only $3 or $4 in there on the upside, so you may not get everything you're looking for. And there you have it. Everybody have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all at our next update. Happy trading. Bye for now.